Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove TikTok you may like suggestions. So first of all, what you have to do is open TikTok and click on the search bar to see the suggestions. But now on this section, if you see some suggestions you do not like, then what you can do is simply click on the refresh button, and once it's refreshed, then you can check if you like the suggestions or not. But if you still hate the suggestions that TikTok is giving you, then what you can do is click on your profile on the bottom right corner, click on the three dotted or the hamburger menu on the top right corner, and then go to settings and privacy, and then go to activity center. From here, go to search history. Now from here, what you have to do is click on select, and what you have to do is simply select all search history and delete all. Once you have deleted it, what you can do is go back and open the search page again and check if you like the suggestions or not, if they're changed or not. But if they're still not changed and you still do not like the suggestions that TikTok is giving you, then what you can do is go back to the profile section, go back to the hamburger menu, settings and privacy, and then go to the notifications section. And then simply what you have to do is scroll down until you see personalized post suggestions. Simply turn off all the three options from here and go back and check if the problem is fixed or not, and TikTok is giving you good suggestions or not. But if it's still not giving you good suggestions, then what you can do is click on help us improve button. Now from here, you have to select the suggested searches are not interesting or are not personalized. Simply click on it and then simply select all the accounts that you do not want in your search result or your search suggestions. So after that, click on submit. It will say thanks for your feedback, and then force close the TikTok application. So force close, what you have to do is go to the recent applications, click on TikTok, click on app info, and then click on force stop. Once it's stopped, open the TikTok app once again and go to the search bar and check if the personalized suggestions are changed or not. And if they are changed and if you like them, then well and good. But if you do not like them, then what you can do is log out from your account and log in once again, and hopefully your problem will be fixed. And that's simply how you can fix or remove TikTok suggestions. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.